Let's take a quick look at how Kipware software can get this workpiece through your shop, from RFQ to out the door. Step 1. Create an accurate and realistic machining cycle time estimate with Kipware CYC. Step 2. Import that estimate into Kipware QTE, which will auto-calculate labor costs and add material, tooling, and all non-machining costs to create a cost estimate and quotation to send off to the customer. Step 3. Using Kipware TRK, we'll track our quotes, keep on top of what's happening, and follow up as needed until the job is awarded. Step 4. We got the job and can use Kipware M to create the G-code for machining. Kipware M is all conversational and requires no CAD, no drawing, and even no G-code experience, which means any one of our shop floor machinists can create that G-code. Step 5. With the machining complete, we can use Kipware CRM to compare our actual costs against our estimated costs to analyze profit and loss. This way, we can ensure we are profitable, and if the job returns, we'll know for sure if we need to adjust our costs to ensure profitability. If at any time, we need to move the job to another machine with a different control, no reposting and no reprogramming is required when we use Kipware XC or CNC Exchange. Just run our original proven G-code through either, and the G-code will be auto-converted between formats and we're ready to machine. If you're looking to grow your shop through faster turnaround and increased output, employing Kipware software through your whole shop is the smart choice. Explore all the real-world Kipware CNC and MachineShop software at www.kipware.com.